approaches you can try to fix the character customization reset issue in Helldivers 2 on PC and PS5. 1. Verify local files, PC. This option checks for corrupted game files and replaces them with fresh ones. Launch Steam and navigate to your Helldivers 2 library entry. Right-click on the game and select Properties. Go to the Local Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will verify the files, and any missing or corrupt ones will be downloaded automatically. 2. Check cloud saves, PS5. Sometimes, corrupted cloud saves can cause issues. Try disabling cloud saves and see if it fixes the problem. Go to your PS5 settings, System, Save Data and Game, App Settings. Select Cloud Storage, and then Enable Cloud Saves. Change this setting to Off for testing. Launch Helldivers 2 and see if the customization persists. Remember to re-enable cloud saves afterward if this fixes the issue. 3. Manual save, PC and PS5. While unlikely, there might be an issue with auto-saving. Try manually saving your character customization and see if it sticks. Look for a Save Customization option in the character customization menu, might be under a Settings menu. Close the game completely after saving manually. 4. Check for updates. Developers often release patches to fix bugs and glitches. Make sure you're running the latest version of Helldivers 2. On PC, Steam usually updates games automatically. You can check for updates manually through Steam. On PS5, go to the game menu, press Options, and select Check for Update. 5. Report the bug. If none of the above solutions work, it's helpful to report the bug to the developers. This way, they can be aware of the issue and potentially fix it in a future update. You can find bug reporting options on the official Helldivers 2 website, forums, or social media channels, Discord, Twitter.